The best gaming PC build guide ever. Video title: The best gaming PC build guide ever. Video description: whether you're a hardcore gamer or just starting out, building your own gaming PC can be a daunting task. There are so many different components to consider, and you want to make sure that you're getting the best possible performance for your budget. That's where this video comes in. We've put together the ultimate guide to building the best gaming PC ever, with everything you need to know to get started. 5 keyword: gaming, PC, build, guide, performance. Introduction. Hey there, and welcome to the best gaming PC build guide ever. If you're looking to build your own gaming PC, then you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the right components to putting everything together. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to build the best gaming PC ever. Voiceover. Building your own gaming PC can be a great way to get the performance you need without breaking the bank. But where do you start? The first thing you need to do is decide on your budget. This will determine what components you can afford and what kind of performance you can expect. Once you've decided on your budget, it's time to start choosing your components. Component selection. The first component you need to consider is your CPU. This is the brain of your gaming PC, and it's responsible for processing all of the instructions that your games need to run smoothly. For the best gaming performance, we recommend going with an Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. Next up is your graphics card. This is the component that's responsible for rendering all of the graphics in your games, and it's arguably the most important part of your gaming PC. We recommend going with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 or 1080 Ti for the best possible performance. Your motherboard is also an important consideration. This is the component that everything else connects to, so you want to make sure that you're getting one that's reliable and offers all the features you need. We recommend going with a Z370 motherboard from Asus or MSI. For memory, we recommend going with at least 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. This will ensure that you have enough memory to run your games and any other applications you might have open at the same time. For storage, we recommend going with a solid-state drive, SSD, for your operating system and any frequently used applications, and a traditional hard drive for storing larger files like games and media. Finally, you'll need a power supply that's strong enough to power all of your components. We recommend going with a 650W or higher power supply from a reputable brand like EVGA or Corsair. Building your PC. Once you have all of your components, it's time to start putting everything together. This can be a bit intimidating if you've never done it before, but don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Start by placing your motherboard into your PC case, making sure to line up all of the standoffs with the mounting holes. Then, screw everything in place and connect the power supply cables to your motherboard and graphics card. Next, you'll need to install your CPU and cooler. This can be a bit tricky, so make sure to consult your CPU and cooler manuals before you start. Finally, it's time to install your memory, storage, and graphics card. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and take your time. You don't want to accidentally damage any of your components. Conclusion. And that's it, you've just built the best gaming PC ever. With the right components and a little bit of know-how, you can build a gaming PC that will give you the performance you need to enjoy all of your favorite games. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building. Outro. Thanks for watching the best gaming PC build guide ever. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest to build the ultimate gaming PC. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos.